Let's speak about IPOE, a Spac who just yesterday we found out is going to be merging with SOFI, whatever it is. What is happening, investors? It is your boy Jack. I am not a financial advisor, and today we have a juicy little Spac to speak about. A lot of people quite evidently excited, considering it went up nearly 60% yesterday. So SOFI is a leading next generation financial services platform, and IPOE is the 5th blank check company bearing the social capital name, and a lot of you guys will probably be aware of all of the IPO Spacs. They're the ones held by Chamath. So today we're going to have a look into the company. I mean, it's quite a big Spac merger. The merger values SOFI at an equity value of $8.65 billion. We will have a look through the investor presentation, of course. It's actually quite difficult to find it. I had to go to Reddit in order to find the presentation, so shout out to whoever put it here. And we'll just have a look at the website and speak a little bit more about what they actually do, and ultimately, is it a good investment even after this quite large run up, my friends? That's what we're going to try and figure out in today's video, as we always do. So right before we get into the video, before we speak about this juicy little company, can I please ask you to hit that juicy like button? Drop me a comment down below. I'm interested. Did any of you buy into these guys yesterday? And if so, what price did you get in at? And please, my friend, if you aren't indeed new around here, hit that juicy red subscribe button. We just broke 70,000 subs, baby. Also, if you are indeed interested, please hit the first link in the description, my friends, and sign up to my private Discord group. In there, you join a community of over 800 investors. You get access to over 50 private channels. We're making a lot of money lately, and I'm doing a $1,000 giveaway in there at market close today, so the time is ticking. Genuinely though, there is so much value in there, my friends. Everybody eats in the Discord family. And if you want 4 free stocks on Webull, that's the second link in the description, my friends. Sign up, deposit $100, and you get free money. 2 of those stocks can be worth $3,700 each. So some of the absolute basics, okay? IPOE Stock came public in October 2020. They raised $700 million back then. Hala Hapatia and Ian Osborne, IPOE president and director, bring a vast amount of experience in identifying tech winners to the table. They're also huge champions of the recent Spac craze that had dominated the public markets. I mean, everybody knows about Chamath. This Spac merger comes as he says legacy banks are failing, and I think a lot of people share similar thoughts. A lot of people do expect them to recover ultimately, but they're not doing the best. Alternative finance related methods are doing very well in this current climate. He believes because of this, consumer expectations and behaviors are shifting towards fintech startups like SOFI, and fintech has been huge this year in general. Consumers are looking for low fees, accessible services, transparent lending, and a one-stop shop for financial products, and that's exactly what SOFI offers. They specialize in all things personal finance. It helps customers with student loan refinancing, mortgages, personal loans, credit cards, investing, and banking. Literally everything. And additionally, they offer these students through desktop services and mobile apps. And if you just go over to their website, you can see that. I mean, the first thing you're going to be greeted with is get your money right, and it shows you everything you need to get your money right. They have SOFI Money, save, spend, and savor the rewards. It's a cash management account that charges no account fees to save, spend, or earn cashback rewards. It's awesome. Then there is SOFI Invest, obviously an investment place where you can buy stocks, ETFs, cryptos, everything. SOFI Credit Card, and then all of the loans that we spoke about, my friends. They have everything. It really is a one-stop shop. But there are a lot of competitors, and there are a lot of fintech stocks with a lot of hype behind them. So what makes this one worth your money as opposed to any of the competitors? Well, I mean, they've already allowed more than 1.8 million members to borrow, save, spend, invest, and protect their money since its inception, okay? So it's not a startup, it's not a new company by any means, and I'm sure pretty much everybody in America who watches these videos will know who they are already before finding out about this. Their full suite of financial products offers members the speed, selection, content, and convenience that only an integrated digital platform can provide. So they have this investor call deck, okay? Again, I had to find this through Reddit. I couldn't find it on their website. Their mission is to help their members achieve financial independence to realize their ambitions. And I think now more than ever, this is a product that people want, okay? I think a lot more young people in particular are looking to become more financially independent, are looking to take care of their financial situations in a much better way than they would have in the past. And we're not looking to go to banks. You know, we're not really looking to even speak with financial advisors. We want to do a lot of it ourselves. We want to do a lot of it online. And that's why things like this are booming in popularity as of late. Their job is to get your money right. They do so by all of the things we just spoke about. The borrowing, the saving, etc, etc. So their key points of differentiation. They say here, everything we do must reinforce one of these 4 points of differentiation. Deliver with a member-centric approach and sensibility in order to build a trusted relationship. Okay, very important. Especially when there is people's monies on the line, and show that our products are better when used together. So the categories fall into fast, selection, content, and convenience. All very important. They try and offer the fastest way to do everything. So apply for and borrow money, open an account, buy or sell a stock, everything that they do. They offer a broad array of products across member lifestyles, so a large selection of different products. They offer content, which again is increasingly more important as time goes on right now. People absorb content. So they have educational information advice on there, credit score, calculators, budgeting, UGC, news, quotes, investment research. People love all of that. Community is so important nowadays. And convenience. They want to provide the most convenient experience. And again, I think that's one that cannot be overlooked, my friends, especially when you're looking to more than likely help a lot of young people with their finances. They don't want to be there all day. They want it to be easy, straightforward, convenient, quick. So the SOFI strategy, a member experience and full suite of products that leverage the FSPL, the financial services productivity loop. So it's a strategy where they build trust and a relationship in the first product, drive success in the next. Results in the highest LTV and lowest CAC, resulting in our competitive advantage. So building our products so that they are better when used together further builds our competitive advantage. And it makes sense. You want everybody using all of your services, therefore getting the most out of your services, but also giving you back the most value. So what's up for grabs, okay? Over 500 million accounts across 4,700 FDIC incumbent banks. So the top 10 legacy banks, okay, hold about 50% of the consumers' 500 million plus bank accounts. But 50% of Americans use more than one bank for financial services. And I do think this is becoming ever more popular as well. I mean, I'm the same. I have money in several different places. I don't have it all in the same place. So consumers are left using multiple accounts given the lack of an integrated one-stop shop on one digital platform. I mean, you have to admit, guys, for simplicity's sake, if there was one platform that did absolutely everything you needed, it would be fantastic. So why Americans use multiple banks? You can see there are quite a few reasons here, okay? But it does say about 80% of consumers cite inadequate one-stop shops as the reason for more than one account. And I would agree. Again, if I could do everything I wanted on one simple platform, I would, but I can't. So member growth is accelerating and their FSPL is working. On track to exceed 3 million members in 2021. Up 75% after 6 consecutive quarters of accelerating year-over-year growth. I mean, it's clear to see, guys, look, they are growing consistently and they are growing faster and faster and faster. I do believe that this number could be realistic. And if that number is to be realistic, there is a good chance that this company is still undervalued even after yesterday's huge run-up with a long-term outlook. So nearly doubling our multi-product members to 775,000, okay? 95% over year growth. So why that's important is that the multi-product usage leads to the best-in-class unit economics and greater lifetime value of each member. And in general, the more value you can give, the more value you create, the more you get back. So essentially, a combination of money plus loan drives higher LTV relative to standalone offerings. And I mean, that just makes sense. 65% of home loans come from existing members, driving about $30 million in Q3 20 revenue on $1 million in acquisition marketing. Fantastic. And yet again, continued momentum in cross-buy is leading to better unit economics. Everything's looking very good here, guys. So the tech platform accelerates SOFI FSPL, distributes SOFI products via Galileo partners, and builds AWS of fintech. So SOFI's consumer offering is augmented by its ownership and independent operation of Galileo, one of the leading providers of critical technology infrastructure services, including customer-facing and back-end capabilities, to fast-growing financial service providers, okay? They have approximately 50 million accounts on its platform as of right now. So I mean, that's why it's important. They're better together. They drive faster innovation. It offers everything they have to much more accounts. They have also seen 6 quarters of accelerating growth in total accounts. And I mean, it's quick growth. Look at the year-over-year growth. It's going up and up and up. Now their financials, okay, very important, driving accelerating revenue growth and margin expansion. You can see really nice year-over-year growth, okay, looking at 58% for this year and continuing getting very nice year-over-year growth. Adjusted EBITDA expected to go positive this year, so contribution profit margins look to be going up and up and up as well. Very important. And we're looking at a 43% adjusted net revenue compound annual growth rate from 2020 all the way through 2025. So what do I think about these guys? I think they have a very bright future, and I think even at current prices they're going to be a good long-term buy. I also think they might be a little bit inflated short-term. Now this is just potentially. We've seen this with SPACs many times now, especially when it comes to Chamath. When we see one of his SPACs come out with a new target, a lot of the time people just buy in. They don't even look at the company. And I think that's a lot of what happened yesterday. I doubt a lot of people even really know who SOFI are or what they do. Now luckily I think it's a fantastic company. It's growing quickly. Margins are getting better. We have a very large established platform and very much so potential for that to grow very quickly. At current prices, I still think it's a nice buy. Am I going to buy? Not 100% sure as of just yet. I am going to go ahead and do some more research. I did just want to make this initial video though to let you guys know what I'm thinking, because I got asked about them quite a few times in my Discord today. But anyway guys, if you watched this video all the way till the end, you my friend are a true legend and I appreciate you from the bottom of my heart. If you enjoyed the video, could I please ask you to hit that like button, drop me a comment down below, and please subscribe if you're new around here. Again, if you're interested in joining that private Discord group, That's the first link in the description, my friends. Again, access to over 50 private channels, all of my buy and sell alerts, join a community of over 800 investors, and we have a $1,000 giveaway happening at market close tonight. So if you're seeing this video early, you can still enter. If you want those free stocks on Webull, that's the second link, my friends. But anyway, guys, I hope you all have a beautiful day. I'll see you in another video very soon. Peace.